Software introductions. First, open the software and enter the setting interface. In general, you can select your language. The following is the validity period of the dongle. Please extend it within 1 month before the dongle expires. On the acquisition interface, you can choose the file export path. Users can choose the format of exported file. In this new version of software, we have added the option to export PL1 and STL at the same time, and we added the export in object format. Select the export coordinate. Users can export to ExoCAD or 3-ship coordinates according to the design software used by themselves or the laboratory. Select the default scanning order. Users can choose to scan the upper or lower jaw first, according to the user's favorite. Tooth notation. Users can choose universal or FDI. Model color function. This is a new feature. Users can choose the color in non-true color mode, according to their favorite. Audio feedback. There will be a continuous time during scanning if this function is turned on. If the distance between the scanning tip and patient's mouth is too far, the time will disappear to remind the users to adjust to a suitable distance. Distance indication. After turning on this function, the scanning area will display colors according to different distances. Yellow-green indicates that the distance is appropriate, and red indicates that the distance between the tip and teeth is too far. Data quality. The new version of the software optimizes this function. If some area has incomplete or missing data after the scanning is over, different colors will be displayed on the edge of the area to remind the user. AI filter. This function can intelligently remove the soft tissues around the teeth. Storage interface. There are backup and cleanup functions. Click Backup to select the backup start time and storage path. If the users select 3 months, it means that the data of the last 3 months will not be backed up, and the rest of the data will be backed up. The cleanup function means that the only data within 3 months is retained, and the rest of data will be cleaned up. Version interface can check the current software version. Next, click the new patient icon to create a new patient file and enter the corresponding information for the patient. Click the New Case button and select the patient to enter to the next menu. You can also create a new patient here. After creating the case, users can choose the scanning method. The software provides 3 scanning methods: restoration, orthodontics, and implant. The scanning process of restoration and orthodontics is same as upper jaw, lower jaw, and occlusion, but restoration has higher accuracy in analyzing the data of a single tooth. Orthodontics has higher accuracy in the data on the dental arch. The scanning process of implant is upper jaw, lower jaw, occlusion, without scan body, with scan body, and finally select whether to scan the occlusion again according to the situation. It is recommended that the users select the scanning methods according to the actual needs. Users can select tooth positions and fill in all the tooth information according to the patient's situation. Click Scan to enter the scanning interface. Here the patient name and the method of current scan. Here the scanning process. Clicking the exclamation point will display the hardware information on the scanner. The right side is functional area. The scanner icon shows the current scanner status. If an exclamation mark shows up, it means that the software does not detach the scanner. Please check whether the scanner is connected properly. This area shows the current imaging acquisition number and scanning time. In the scanning area, the yellow-green color indicates the distance is appropriate. This area shows the real imaging captured in patient's mouth by intraoral scanner. The missing scan areas are shown in the selected color. If any of those areas are relevant for the given work or scanning protocol required by your lab, they should be scanned again. Select the cut function on the right toolbar. You can select unwanted areas to cut. If the scan result is not good, you can click the delete button to delete the data and scan again. Click the True Color button. Users can choose True Color or Non-True Color display. Colors can be selected in the setting interface according to the user's favorite. Zoom Fit button can make the scanned 3D model return to the middle of the screen. HD camera. Users need to open the scanner. Click space or capture to take photos. Photos will be saved in the patient file. Click Result Preview to select a single tool for preview. After scanning the upper and lower jaw, scan the occlusion. First, let the patient open their mouth. place the scanning tape on the patient's buccal side. Let the patients close their mouths and click the button on the scanner to activate the scanning function. And click Refine Check after the scan is completed. On the occlusion interface, click Occlusion Distance to show the distance between occlusions. Users can also adjust the distance scale on the left to see distance smaller than the chosen threshold. Use Control key and left click for occlusion value on a specific point. Click Occlusal Adjustment. Users can mark patient occlusal point of the teeth with the occlusal paper before scanning, and add a occlusal point manually under this function after the marking, so that the occlusion can be adjusted more finely. Click the Automatic Occlusal Adjustment button. The occlusal distance will automatically increase by 0.02 cm each time. In the restoration scan method, select the dental jaw to be restored after data is refine checked. Click the undercut button, select the direction in which doctor wants to put the crown, and click the button. The red part is the depressed area in this direction to judge the effect of these prepared teeth. After the refine check is completed, click Exit and save the data. Click the Case button to open the previous case, and click Open File to open the case folder. The HD photos were also saved in the folder. Click the Export button. Users can choose to export to ExcelCAD or RunES file. Note that if users need to export to ExcelCAD, please must select the tools number to be restored when creating a new case.